This mini excavator is powerful enough to dig up even old tree roots. High horsepower and powerful performance. The excavation depth can reach 2 meters. Things like loose rocks and old tree roots can be easily dug up. This includes clearing land in mountainous areas. Owners of large orchards can choose this model. The width of this complete machine is 1.1 meters. More suitable for construction in confined spaces. The camera body can rotate 360 degrees. We can clean every nook and cranny for you. Air-conditioned driver's cabs are also available for customization. Business owners who are interested can contact me as soon as possible.